Hey everyone, I'm thinking about maybe starting the 560 up and taking it for a bit of a run today. There's a few things I want to do first. You see there are birds nested in the front. The grill screen's buggered and they got in nested. Of course it's warm enough that I run hot today with all that in there, and I don't like having to plug the radiator anyways. It's not that bad for temperature. That I don't know if you could read it, that's 70 degrees Fahrenheit is what that is. It's cloudy, it's a little overcast, not bad, but it's muggy, and that'll make it run hot. Now, one thing I suspect there's moisture gone in the transmission. I'm gonna check it out. And this hydraulic coupling's leaking, and I'd like to put the breakaways where they belong anyways. And of course maybe a grease job is in order here. So get started, I guess. Look at that, I think there's mice got in too. And the shutters are partially closed, I can't like that. I think the mice made a nest in here too, look at that crap. I think I'm gonna. Look at that, that's all mouse nests, is what that is. Birds made a nest and then the mice joined. That was quite a bit of crap in there. That'd definitely make it run hot. And look at all the stuff behind the shutters. You know, I think I'm going to pull these shutters off. I don't need them. These are a cold-blooded engine, of course, but we don't need these shutters. I'll take them out. My grill does need straightening, but I've got to put her back anyways, but I got this clean and the shutters are out. Now when I put this back, I'm going to use this stuff on the bolts. This saves hours and hours of headaches, and you got to try and take stuff apart, so that's what I'll do. Okay, let's see if there's any nasty surprises in the rear end. Tight enough, isn't it? I'm not a good spot to pull on it either. But boy, is that plug tight. There we go. Put your heavy duty grip on it, it'll go. Turkey. There is a little moisture in it, alright, but it's wet. So I'm going to have to change the oil in the rear end before using it much. What's next on the agenda is this hydraulic fitting is leaking and I'm going to change it. Now, they routed these hoses wrong and they're right in, they're kind of in a pain in the ass and right where you got to work the brakes and stuff. They usually follow along here and go underneath the seat. And then they go under here and out here is where they go. That's this hole in the platform is for to mount the hydraulic couplings. So that's what we'll do. It tells if I turn it counterclockwise. Socket doesn't always come out. Better get a wrench, this one's turning. Okay, I'll take this off and I'll put a little pipe dope on the fitting. You just pull this back so it's easy so you get a better view. Put some pipe dope on here. This doesn't only seal it, that lubricates it and makes it easier to get off if you have to pull it off. So that's the top reason I use it. These are nice fittings. They're push on and pull off sort of fittings, these Pioneers. And of course, the old one wasn't like that, which is fine. That old style Pioneer coupler works too, but these are a lot better. They're just nicer. That should be tight enough. Gonna reach just fine, I think, when you put it in the right spot. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it'll work just fine. I'll take this other one off and do the same, and I'll be done. Okay, I got the one set of hydraulics put in the proper spot anyways and routed correctly. The other ones I just got hanging here for now. But I'll fire it up and then we'll take this thing for a drive. I have to change the SD card in my camera too. Running out of data. So well, let's give her a little try. Let's give her a run. I can walk across the end of this leak. This was a beach at one time, and it's all growing up with bulrushes. There used to be a dock through here, and it used to be a place to launch the boat. This lake is fairly substantial. It's probably about 12 miles long, and at its deepest point maybe 30 feet. Then there's pike, whitefish, walleye, perch, lingcod in here. This end is very shallow, you could walk across it. But in the springtime, the pike spawn in this bay here. This is actually the north tip of the lake. And you could get substantial pike in here, and the lake opened in the spring. I caught a 15-pounder out of here about 11 years ago. There are fish in here, and substantial ones. But this used to be all cleared. There used to be a wooden dock here. There used to be people used to camp here, and it's all gone. Everything's all abandoned. That house is brand new. It was about 25 years ago, I think. It's never been lived in. There's quite a story behind that. The temperature's run about where it should have. I let the radiator keep full of crap like that when I ran too hot. Fuel gauge actually worked, and the thing was right full of fuel when I got it. Oil pressure went down to maybe 35 psi at idle. So I think the tractor's in pretty good shape. I cooled her off for about 5 minutes, so here we go. This tractor's in really good shape. I could need to do a little bit more work to it. The generator doesn't charge. Wonder why? But you see the armature terminal is broke off. You see the generator is put together wrong, or it's the wrong generator. And these tractors, the terminals are pointed down for a reason. The way it is now, it interferes. The terminals interfere with the intake manifold. But I'm very happy with this tractor. think $100 is too much for it. Well, thank you very much for watching. You have a good day. See you in the next video.